In this video, we are going to go over the Empire Katana that I've been running on my Glock 43X for a long time now. Thank you so much to the main channel sponsor, US Arms Co. You can use code GUNMAN15 on their site. And the best way to support the channel right now is by becoming a member of the kit page, where I link everything I talk about and provide discount codes for everything I can, including this Magwell. Full disclosure, these were sent over to me by Empire, but of course I get to share my own honest thoughts, as that's how I have always and will always run my channel. What's my relationship to Empire? I have been in touch with the owner on multiple occasions for collaborations, but it's been me reaching out to them because I love their products. Other than that, I've never personally met anybody who works for them. I just believe they make good stuff. So are these good, and why do I love them? Yes, in my opinion, they are a fantastic option, and after running them on all of my 43X builds for a while now, I can easily say it's my favorite Magwell for the 43X. First off, and less important, it does look fantastic. Second, I feel it really does enhance my grip, which is much more important. Third, it's really well machined from 6061 aluminum. And fourth, I really like the way that it tightens down snug and fits most aftermarket mags out there. Others have tried to achieve what Empire has, like Shield Arms pretty much copying almost exactly their design, but I still personally feel like Empire has done it better. Plus, they have better color options. Here we have the black and the Tano, but I've personally always been a huge fan of the black. I do want to give you guys a little tutorial on how to put this together, and I'm also going to give you some tips if you run into any issues, but it's really relatively simple. All you're going to do is make sure that this is loose all the way, then make sure it's only going to attach straight to polymer, so don't have any grips or tape in the way. Then you take the Allen wrench and tighten it down to a finger tight torque, and just make sure that you don't over tighten. I'm going to talk about this in a little bit when I talk about troubleshooting. I've had people ask if I run into any issues with mag sticking or not working properly, and usually what happens is they tighten the screw down too tight. Again, usually what I do is give the screw a nice snug finger tight torque. Then when it gets to a spot where it's not moving, I'll give it a couple of really soft torques. Check a mag, and as long as everything works, that's always been tight enough for me. So just be careful not to over tighten, and you shouldn't run into any issues. Another issue people mistakenly run into is when they tighten it down onto a Talon grip or some type of tape, which is not how they're designed to work. What I usually do is cut all the way around the bottom of my grips so the Magwell is only touching polymer. That should keep any other issues from arising. So far, the mags I've tried with it are of course OEM mags, Shield Arms mags Gen 3 and Gen 2, which I'm currently running, and the Palmetto 15 round mags. They all see perfectly fine with no issues at all. So with all that, this really isn't a long video, but I'm hoping that it gives you enough information so you can make the best decision if you're looking for a solid Magwell for your 43X. I personally think this is one of the best upgrades under $100 to upgrade the feel and look of your Glock if you're looking for a simple yet effective upgrade for your 43X. Again, you can find these on the kit page of my website with a discount code. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the comments. I do try to reply to as many as I can. You are your own best defense. Head to the range this week and get some good training in so you can be better prepared to protect innocent life, and I'll see you in the next one.